What's up guys, Jay here today, and this is my first ever YouTube video on my Hybrid Turbo N55. So today I'll be kind of going over just the overall journey of me owning the car, what to expect when owning N55, and also what's been done to the car performance wise, cosmetic wise, and just kind of my whole ownership of me owning the car. So first we'll start off with the Vera style front lip. It came from, I think, Midnight Motorsports. I'm not really too sure, but I had got this about, I think, a year ago, and I like it. It was good. The only problem I have is just it's not really one-of-one fitment, as you can kind of see. Other than that, the company is good. The lip is fine. I like it. It looks pretty good. Second thing, moving on, is the LCI headlights. I got these off Alibaba for a really good price. It didn't take that long for shipping. To be honest, guys, Alibaba is actually really good than a lot of people say. But yeah, moving on, I got these skirts off my boy who has a G20. I think these are the P3 skirts. I'm not really sure what they are, but yeah, surprisingly these fit on the F chassis, as they look pretty good. Goes with the flows with the car. Moving on, we have the rear splitters. I also got those off Alibaba. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, Alibaba is the wave. Real carbon for a really good price. Moving on to the back rear, we have the third brake light kit. Third brake light diffuser. I don't know, I've been kind of thinking about getting rid of it. As you could kind of see, the LEDs are kind of going out, as it kind of does irritate me a little bit, but I don't know. Yeah, I think it's an easy fix, but if not, I'll probably just get a different diffuser. I'm not pretty sure yet. Also swapped out my pre-LCI taillights for LCI swapped out my pre-LCI taillights for LCI ones, just to kind of get a more OEM look in the back. Also, can't forget every BMW's first mod, mirror caps and mirror caps. I got these off Amazon, I think. I'm not too sure. But now moving on to performance mods. So right now, performance-wise, I have the Dyna carbon intake. Got it from my boy in Cali for a really good price. Also working with the ARM charge pipe, as charge pipes on N55s are really prone to breaking really easily and fast, as mine blew up within I think a week of me owning the car. This car is fully bolt-on, downpipe, intercooler, all that good stuff. And also it's rocking a pure 750 hybrid turbo tuned by K. It's on 93. I think it should be around like 470 to 500 horsepower right now, which is in my area, which is way more than enough. But I've been kind of iffy about running an E, but my boys are saying E is like a totally night and day difference with cars, so compared to 93. So that's why I think might be the next step. It's low pressure fuel pump. I'm in stage two I think Dodge, and I have the EU5 injectors as well. So I wouldn't say kind of maxed out on fueling, but as like making it better from stock, it's kind of maxed. But yeah, and that's really it, guys. Kind of just me owning the car. I've owned the car for about, I think, 2.5 years, and I just kind of just been, yeah, guys, with me owning the car, it's been about 2.5 years. I would say this car has been nothing but more than reliable. I mean, it still has its issues here and there, but I mean, all I'll say with these cars, man, is just maintenance, man. I do my oil change about every 3,000 to 3,500. Change the valve cover, all that good stuff, all the main stuff, man. This car has been nothing but well to me. I think right now I'm at 100, almost 130K miles, and the car has really gave me no major issues, knock on wood. But other than that, yeah, man, this car, man, I really enjoy it. For anyone kind of in the N55 market, I would say get it, man. I mean, as much hate as these cars get for as much power, not as compared to the B58, man, these cars are fun and fast still, man. It's still really enjoyable. I like it, man. The sound on these is amazing. And with this, even with I think just pure fully bolt-ons, man, this car is still fast enough, man, for most daily traffic, man. Like, you don't need that 600, all that stuff. But yeah, other than that, man, this is it, guys. This is my more than many come YouTube videos of my F30 and 55. Peace out, guys.